Hi and back everyone to HandSkill. First, I would like to say my thanks and gratitude for the love and support you gave in the tent house part 1 video. If you are new here, kindly check that video in our channel or the link in description box. This video is for those who are asking instead of hook what can be used to make tent house. So based on your comments, I made this video, so come let's start. First method is using S-shaped hook. So to hang it, choose a place near window. Also make a seating arrangement below it. Then as we did in previous video, take the middle part of saree and using rubber band tie it tightly. Now secure one end of S-shaped hook in rubber band and then choose the height of your tent house. So based on that, hang the other end in any of the window rail. And then tuck the remaining saree under the seating space as usual. So next method is using thread. Take a piece of any strong thread and instead of rubber band, tie the middle of saree using this thread and make knots to secure it tightly. Also leave some thread at the end. Next, tie that remaining thread on the window rail tightly and cut the excess. Remaining the same method. Ensure the height of your tent house in each method before hanging the saree. The next method is using nail. As usual, take middle part of saree and tie it tightly with rubber band and then secure the rubber band in the nail. When you using this method, there is chance of rubber band coming out from the nail. So you can also use hook shaped nail instead of ordinary nail. It is very strong too and remaining the same method. I made a simple decoration in this tent house. For that I am using artificial creeper first. Just hang that creeper on the tent house and this is a battery operated LED string light. You just hang one or more such light over your tent house. If it is an evening party, it looks so beautiful. And then decorate with available party supplies like birthday banners, balloons, etc. Hope this video will be useful for you. If you like this channel, do consider subscribing and thanks for watching.